Hey, what's up everyone? We're deep in the heart of Guadalajara, Jalisco, and today we're putting it all on the table. From the world famous Mercado Libertad to the most iconic local comidas. I'm showing you the birrias, the loco tortas, the steamiest tacos and the red gold of the city. Grab a drink and some napkins because things are about to get messy. This is the ultimate Guadalajara food crawl. Hola amigos! You know how you sometimes just want a sandwich, but also make it an adventure? Welcome to Guadalajara, the land of the torta ahogada. This is more than just bread and filling. It's a ruby-coloured swimming lesson for your taste buds. We're talking crusty burrito salado bread, succulent carnitas, all drowned, yes, literally drowned in a mild red chili de árbol sauce. Why drowned? Because it's so good you'll want to swim in it. The bread holds up like a champ, absorbing all the spicy goodness without turning into a soggy mess.
If you don't finish it in 10 minutes, it becomes part of the soup, and that soup becomes part of your soul.
It's messy, it's a little spicy, and I can confirm it's the ultimate hangover cure. Forget subtle, this is a flavour explosion that demands your full attention. If you don't have sauce dripping down your elbows, you're not doing it right. You can find these all over the city, but a bustling market is the perfect place to try them. And maybe listen to some mariachi. It's a must-eat when visiting Jalisco. If you're looking for the soul of Jalisco, you'll find it simmering in a clay pot at Birria Las Nueve Esquinas. This isn't just a meal, it's a Jalisco legacy. And so is this beautiful restaurant. The grandma energy in this kitchen is off the charts. While most of the world is obsessed with beef birria, here the goat or chivo is king. This tradition started right here in this state, born from a clever way of slow cooking spice marinated meat until it's impossibly tender. People come for the Instagrammable blue and yellow buildings, but they stay because the chivo is so tender it practically melts before it hits the spoon. I'm diving in two ways today. First, the classic stew. It's so rich it probably should be paying more tax. It's earthy and has a complex heat from the dried chilies that builds with every spoonful. It's pure comfort. Sip the broth and take a bite of that tortilla. Then we switch gears to the tacos. You get that beautiful contrast of the seared, slightly oily tortilla against the savoury shredded goat. Pro tip, use the impressive number of salsas to customise each bite. You might even get a serenade or two. It's easy to see why this place is a local institution. The flavours are deep, the history is real, and the experience is a total 10 out of 10. If you're in Guadalajara, your first stop should be Nuevo Esquinas. Need a flavour punch fast? In Guadalajara they have carne en sayugo. It's literally meat in its own juice, which sounds like a technical description but tastes like a culinary hug from a tapatio grandmother. We're talking finely chopped steak, crispy bacon, beans and often a bit of onion and cilantro, all swimming in a rich savoury broth that's absolutely addictive. Forget gold, the real currency in Jalisco is the crispy bacon bits floating in a sea of savoury beef broth. Forget gold, the real currency in Jalisco is the crispy bacon bits floating in a sea of savoury beef broth. And when I say serve fast, I mean fast. I haven't even finished my sentence and the food's already on the table. This place doesn't employ waiters, they must have Star Trek transporter devices. It's the perfect blend of hearty, fresh and incredibly satisfying.
Taste Atlas, this should be on one of your world's greatest stews features.
You scoop it up with warm tortillas, add a dash of salsa, and boom. Flavour Town, population U. This isn't just a meal, it's an express ticket to deliciousness. It isn't a soup, it isn't quite a stew. It's a medium rare miracle served in a clay bowl. Got a sweet tooth? Let me introduce you to jericaya. This delightful dessert is Guadalajara's answer to creme brulee and flan, but with its own unique twist. Legend has it was invented by a nun in an orphanage, who accidentally left it in the oven a little too long, creating that beautiful slightly burnt top that the kids loved. Thank goodness for happy accidents. And it's everywhere. You find this piece of culinary history in almost any market, street stall or cafe. It's creamy, eggy, subtly sweet with a delicate jiggly custard base, and a caramelised crust that's just begging to be cracked. Every bite is pure comfort. It's a simple dessert but utterly elegant and deeply satisfying. Perfect after a big meal, or just as a sweet treat with coffee any time of the day. Guadalajara, we're diving deep into Mercado Libertad on a quest for the most insane street food experience. We're talking La Torta Loca. Just look at this. Orders flying in, a symphony of sizzles and smells. This isn't just a stall, it's a torta factory. Organised chaos at its most delicious. Okay, here it is, the legend. This isn't just a torta, it's a culinary event. It's like an ahogada, a pambazo, and a regular torta had a flavour baby. Drenched in juicy pork, rich gravy and spicy salsa. It's so big it barely knows what it is anymore. Whoa, that flavour! It's an absolute carnival in my mouth. That tender pork, the kick from the salsa, the savoury richness. It's a full-on flavour assault. Each bite is a new adventure, and the mess. Totally worth it. My hands are covered, my elbows are covered and my face is covered. But my soul is happy. This isn't a meal, it's a commitment. One of these bad boys is your breakfast, lunch and dinner. It's massive, it's bold, and it's unapologetically delicious. If you're in Guadalajara, you have to come to Mercado Libertad and get your hands on Torta Loca. If you enjoyed this, why not like, share and subscribe for more local food adventures. Stay hungry, stay messy, and adios. We're back at the legendary Mercado Libertad, and today we're hunting down another epic street food legend, the Torito. It's not just a burrito, it might just need its own zip code. And this place is buzzing. It's a continuous flow of hungry customers, both for Jalisco street food, but also perfectly golden stuffed Toritos. Unveil the golden beast. Well, I probably could have said that better. But then this isn't just your average burrito. It's a gloriously baked behemoth of flavour. Crispy on the outside, absolutely bursting with succulent meat and amazing fillings on the inside. It's a personal meat submarine. And oh my goodness, the first bite is crunchy, then you hit that tender, perfectly seasoned meat. It's savoury, satisfying, it's everything you want in a baked burrito and more. Every single ingredient sings. This is pure unadulterated comfort food elevated. A full-on fiesta in a wrap. So hearty, so incredibly satisfying, it'll keep you going all day. If you're at Mercado Libertad and your stomach is rumbling for something truly epic, you can't miss the Torito. So until next time, stay hungry and adios. Today it's time to dive into the ultimate winter comfort food, Pozole Rojo. This isn't just soup, it's a Jalisco legend in a bowl. And we're in the heart of Guadalajara, at Carnitas Uruapan, renowned for this dish. And it comes with an absolute ocean of salsas and condiments, the tools you use to build your own perfect flavour profile. We've got fresh lime, crisp tortilla, pickled carrots and the essential secret weapon. You've got to take this dried oregano and chilli, crush it between your palms to wake up the oils and sprinkle it right on top. My hands smell like oregano and I'm considering wearing it as a cologne, it's that good. That herbal hit takes the chili-infused broth to a whole new level. They say Pozole Rojo is the ultimate cure for a tequila hangover. And let's just say for science I'm testing that theory. Follow for the results. Oh man, that's the one. I went for the mixed pork, so you get all those different textures in the rich smoky broth. And the hominy is just like popcorn. It's savoury, it's hearty, and that lime just cuts right through the richness. A hug for your stomach. And the team here are absolute legends. The staff is great, the food is authentic, and this pozole is a masterpiece. Forget the grill, today we're going for the softest, most addictive tacos in Guadalajara. Tacos al vapor. These are literally steamed tacos, and they're a morning game changer. These lunch spots are fast food. And they're always packed because these tacos are the ultimate grab and go. They sit in their baskets soaking up all that steam and flavour until they're incredibly tender. Add your choice of salsas and salads from the self-service bar, and you're set to go. They're soft, velvety and stuffed with things like chicharron, papa and friol. They're so delicate they almost melt before you even chew. And of course we need that ocean of salsa. There's an almost dumpling-like quality to them. It's all about that texture. The tortillas become one with the filling. It's savoury, oily in the best way possible, and when you hit it with that bright green salsa and some pickled cabbage, total balance. If you haven't had tacos al vapor at a comida, have you even been to Jalisco? It's fast, it's cheap and it's insanely delicious. A local favourite for a reason. If you're looking for the quietest, most peaceful meal in Guadalajara, keep walking. Because we're at Tacos Fish La Paz, and from the second the first taco is served until the very last fillet hits the fryer at closing. This place is absolutely electric. I didn't just come for a snack, I came for legends. I ordered both the fish and the camarones baja tacos, and let me tell you, the word generous doesn't even do this justice. Look at the size of these portions. These aren't just tacos, they're seafood steaks wrapped in gold. The batter is light, airy and perfectly seasoned, protecting a massive succulent piece of white fish that just melts. And the shrimp? Plump, snappy, and there are so many of them packed into this XL tortilla that I'm honestly wondering how they're going to fold. But the taco is just the canvas, the real magic happens here, at the massive salad and condiment bar. This isn't your standard little cup of salsa. We're talking about an endless parade of fresh toppings. You can pile it high until you can't even see the seafood anymore. There is a reason this place is packed from open to close, the quality is exceptional. The portions are massive and the energy is just pure Mexico. If you find yourself in the city and you aren't at Tacos Fish La Paz, are you even eating? Man, Guadalajara, you did not disappoint. My hands are covered in salsa and I'm pretty sure I'm 90% pork at this point, but it was worth every single bite. If you enjoyed this journey through Jalisco, hit that button, subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which of these you'd tackle first. Until next time, stay hungry, keep travelling, and adios.